All right, so question number 8. This is a dot plot. So this is for graphing. Okay, so our data analysis here. It says the students in a class were each given a set of letters and asked to make words. The dot plot shows the numbers of students who made from 1 to 7 words. Okay, so it says student making words. So and then these numbers right here represent the number of words made. Okay. As you can see, these have numbers on there. Some of them are missing. So we're going to go ahead and fill this in. So this is 1 word. This would be 2. This would be 3. This would be 4 words. This would be 5. This would be 6 words. And then we have 7. The next thing you're going to do, it says, what fraction of the students in the class made 5 or more words? So when we have a dot plot like this, we have to go and number it. So we're going to go and put numbers above here. So for one word, we have 4 students. For 2 words, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 3, we had 1, 2, 3. For 4 words, we had 2. For 5 words, we had 1 student. For 6, we had 2. And for 7 words, we had 3. All right. And I'm going to make these numbers a different color. Or actually, I'm just going to fill this in so we can see it. Okay. All right. Next, it says, what fraction in the student's class made 5 or more words? Well, I know for a fraction, I have a numerator and a denominator. Okay. And the top number is going to be your numerator and your denominator is going to be the bottom number. The denominator tells us how many total dots we have here. So now I'm going to add up all of these numbers to find out what the total denominator is for this. Okay. So I have 4 plus 5 is 9. So I could count the dots and see that there's 9. Then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there's a total of 20 students. Okay. Then it wants me to find out what fraction of the students in the class made 5 or more words. Well, I'm going to go over here to this number 5 because this number 5 is important. So I'm looking for 5 and I need to find 5 or more. So I need 6 and I need 7. So then I'm just going to count up the dots that are 5 or more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so my numerator is going to be a 6. Well, I can't stop right there because if I look at my answer choices, I know that I need to reduce this fraction. Okay, so I'm going to reduce my fraction. And to reduce my fraction, I need to write out all the factors that are for 6 and for 20. Okay, so for 6, I'm just going to write my factors. And I know that 1 times 6 equals 6. And I know that 2 times 3 equals 6. Next, I'm going to go over to 20 and I'm going to write all the factors that equal 20. And so for 20, I have 1 times 20. I have 2 times 10. I have 4 times 5. And that is all the factors for 20. Next, I'm going to look for the number that they both share in common. They both have a 1. They don't have a 6 or a 20 on this line or this line. They do both have a 2. There's no 3 down here. There's no 10 up here. There's no 4 up here. And there's no 5. So my greatest common factor that they share in common is 2. So my fraction is going to be 6 divided by 2 is 3. And is 3. And 20 divided by 2 is 10. So my answer is going to be H, 3/10. If you have questions about this video, rewatch the video. And we're going to go on.